we have the land use, and you can see the different height lines, the different areas. Also the land use plan, so we're able to see the minimum lot sizes for each area of the land. So for example, the pink part, that is the conservation part, so that has to remain green. And then as you go down with the color code, the minimum lot sizes are reflected. So basically what we're looking at is this landowner, which I believe belongs to a James family. This one here, which is the Bell family, we already have contact with them. So we would like to have a road that would go across and then go up. So this, let me see if I have an example. This is one example. This is the next one. So we have different ways of doing it, but for sure, what the benefits are, as I mentioned, is less steep road, like what you would see at Carbon Cove, and the cost would be more or less because you have more parties involved. So our group, we have a plan where we can do the work, and then we work out something with the landowner, where they pay in stages, or maybe they're planning to develop. Then we can see how we can work out something. So this video just provides an overview. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know what questions you may have, next steps, and then we can go from there and provide more details. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.